am in the onsen. Look around this onsen. It's very nice. I like this onsen. Oh, it's so fun. I'm sitting at the waterfall, guys. The Spider-Man sing or float. Sing. 1, 2, 3, go. Through. Oh, Spider-Man sings. Look, I'm back. It's an adventure. I'm going to try to build a dam. I'm going to try to block all the water here. The water is so strong. Even the rocks, even the boulders are dropping off. Oh, all of them have fallen off. I'm going to try and get new rocks. Here I get bigger rocks now. I'm going to take the bigger rocks now. I'm gonna build a bigger rocks now.